I made a review about the Dermalux Flex red light device. So this was amazing. So they advise you use this 12 times, 12 sessions, then you take a break, and then you can have like top up sessions to maintain the results. So I don't remember thinking, wow, my skin looks amazing, but I was just watching that video now and I am amazed. You know, in that video my skin looks glowing and hydrated and fresh, and the tone just looks, it's almost like a mask. The tone of my skin is perfect. So it definitely works, but maybe you just need to take photos so you can really see how it's working. But I'm super impressed. After the 12 sessions that you do, I would probably not leave it too long. So I'd probably leave it a couple of weeks, then I do another couple of treatments in a week, and then maybe a couple of weeks, and then eventually I think after 2 months or 3 months you'd want to start the 12 sessions again. So don't leave it too long, because as soon as you stop using any type of red light device, your skin will go back to how it was before. They don't give you permanent results, unfortunately. The other good thing about this, it comes with an amazing warranty. So I did have a slight problem with this device. I emailed Current Body, and within a day they had sent me a replacement device. So when you're spending this much money, and it's not cheap, then it's good to know that you do have that backup if anything goes wrong. So if you've got this device, if you've used it, please comment below, let me know how it went for you, or if you've got any questions about this, and I'll definitely try to respond. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing and liking this video, and have a great day.